Someone got through. Okay. Na-kill na. Wait, I'm checking the MVP na right now. 1 minute the MVP. 1 minute the MVP. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's go to MVP spot.
Advance na MVP team.
Yeah, let's go to MVP spot. Attack team. Dep team just dep the nodes. Attack team, let's go to MVP. MVP spot. One minute. 30 seconds. If someone got Vision Zero, try to summon. I try to use. Where's Alamat? But why Alamat is not taking the...
Kill. Okay, push
Attack
nyo
team,
na.
go to the Luina Big now. Attack team, go to the Luina Big. Attack team 1 and 2, go to the Luina Big.
Pupush na
And
namin to,
Breaker.
Lex.
Also, Breaker team and MVP team, go to the Luina Big.
Okay, pauwiin nyo na yan.
Sayang, si tayo lang pala magkakaano dito, kalaban. Dep, stay here. Dep team and M team, stay here. Stay at the chalk point again. Luina, ay attack team and team 1, team 2, Breaker team. MVP team, try to take the MVP. Luina Big MVP is still alive.
Akyat sa
No,
stairs
only
lang.
attack 1. Attack 1, 2. Dep team, just stay on the Valkyrie Big. Kamusta yan, slow? How's the Luina Big? MVP already killed?